Hey y'all, it's India, Miss Butterfly 112, and I thought I would take you along as I make dinner. We're going to have some honey mustard marinated chicken thighs and drumsticks. I often like to meal prep and marinate some meat and put it in the freezer as my freezer meal prep. Bone in, skin on chicken thighs. Add whatever marinade is in this bag onto each chicken. We don't want to leave nothing behind. One of these days I will show how I freezer meal prep some marinated meat, and hope it inspires you to do the same. It's so convenient just to take out a pack of meat and, you know, thaw it out and cook it. It is ready to go. I got my smart air fryer toaster oven preheating at 385. Okay, so into the air fryer. Okay, this is how it looks after 15 minutes. I already flipped these two over. We flipped the chicken, we rotated the pan, and now we're going to put it back into the air fryer. So I dabbed a little bit of the grease off of the pan. We're going to put it back, and I'm just going to put it back for a few minutes and watch it. You want to make sure your chicken, y'all, is still not bleeding. Nobody want to eat raw chicken. But doesn't it look amazing? So I'm going to rotate the pan before putting it in. Rotating the pan, just make sure that the chicken or your food, whatever you're cooking, is cooking evenly. Sometimes you have hot spots in your ovens. I'm using a smart air fryer toaster oven, so it's a combo. I usually don't time how long I cook something. I do know that this still need a little more time. We don't want no food poisoning. Okay, while the chicken is in the oven, it's almost done. We're going to make a quick salad. We're going to do this tri-color coleslaw. We're going to just add it to the bowl, y'all. Add some mayonnaise, some coarse black pepper, and my Himalayan pink salt. So simple, easy to do, and although the ingredients are, there's few ingredients, it tastes amazing. So let's make this salad. So we're just going to add a good bit. Add a good bit of mayonnaise. And the good thing about it, if you add too much of mayonnaise, you just add a little more coleslaw and it'll be just fine. Okay, but we're going to start off with that amount. Add some black pepper, a little bit of salt. Not too much, but enough. I'll show you a close-up of what the seasoning looks like. I don't know if you can see how much mayonnaise that is. Okay, now we're going to just mix that all in. Okay, chicken is out of the air fryer. All that little extra time did the trick. I'm going to move it to a container to let it continue to rest until my husband comes home. Okay, y'all, and this is what the chicken is looking like. We're gonna let it rest. I'm just going to lightly put the top on and show you what it looks like when I fix the plates. It's a simple meal. that salad is gone. And just like that, y'all, this is tonight's dinner. Some honey mustard chicken and a simple slaw salad. It's time to eat, y'all. Thank y'all for cooking with me. Y'all have a good night.